Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we are doing a box unboxing and review of a Korean beauty box called Skin Star box. It's a 300 USD dollar or so box. I got it for free to review on my channel. It's not sponsored, I'm not getting paid for any of this, so I'm going to give you my honest review. Although I give you my honest review anyways. So it's a heavy box. It's heavy. There's a little ribbon on the side that does absolutely nothing. It's just for decor. It says Skin Solution Skin Star. On this side it says Skin Star right here. It says Be Beautiful with Skin Star right here, but you can't see it. It's that shiny sticker material. It's a good quality box from the feels of it. And I'm excited about it because I always wanted to try Korean beauty products because they have like flawless skin and they're so pretty. So I always wanted to try their stuff. So I guess we're gonna open up this box and see what's inside. And maybe I'll do some reviews in the future with this this stuff that's inside. Let's open it up. This is what's inside. It says, Be Beautiful with Skin Star. Skin Star recommends items that are essential to your skin every month. We provide products that all skin can be used safely with high quality and hypoallergenic ingredients. We research for effective ingredients, oppose animal experiments, and only care for skin. This is heavy. And then there's Korean written underneath it, so I don't know how to read Korean. I was studying Korean, but I never got that far. So we got a pamphlet right here. It says Calm the Skin, Clear the Skin. Skin Star of North America. Oh, it's the products. It's products that are inside. Apparently there's 7 products. I think. That's what it looks like. Okay, it says, ooh, it has a little side box right here. It says tips for unboxing. It says set up, show the goods, and share it, which we're gonna do. Oh, this already fell out. So I opened up that little. I'm gonna try to put it back so it doesn't fall out when I lift it up, like this. And I'm just gonna start pulling items out. The reason why I'm showing you the box while it's open is because it's a unique box. It had stuff hidden away behind the little box flip thing. So I just wanted to show you that it is indeed there. First thing is damaged skin bye-bye. That's what it says on the box. This is Tea Tree Probiotics Spot Gel. Pure Tea Tree Quick Soothing and Protection by EssenHerb. On the back is Korean. So I'm just going to pull you guys closer. Don't know if you guys can see that. That's the front. You probably can't see it. And this is the back. Let's see if the pamphlet says something about it. Well, it just shows a picture of the tube. And it says EssenHerb and Tea Tree Probiotics Spot Gel. So it doesn't tell you how to use it, and since it's in Korean, I do not know how to use it. Maybe I'll find a way to translate it. But it's a spot treatment, so I'm guessing that if you have acne or damaged skin, maybe you put it on the spot and it heals it. I have no idea. Oh, right here. It says spot gel that soothes skin with intensive care for topical areas. That's all it says about it. It says for acne skin solution free formula. So I don't get acne very much unless if I drink a large amount of soda. So I might give this to my mom because she still gets really bad acne spots, and let her try it out. And maybe she'll give us a review, meaning she'll just tell me what it's like and if it works and stuff like that. I do get acne, like I said, but it's not a lot. It's nothing to like, oh, that's a spot. It's more like, oh, that's really tiny. Gets rid of it and it's gone. It's healed somehow. So that's that. I'm just gonna put it behind me. Oh, I took one item out, now the box is falling over. Now this is called Pure Heals by Nature Village. Centella 70 cream. In the back is Korean again. Okay, what it says about this, because it says right here too, what those two items that we were doing are. It says Pure Heals Centella 70 cream 50 milliliters. A cream that soothes damage in dry skin with Centella Asiatica extract ingredients. Oh, this has a lot of stamps. It says original excellent derma test, derma efficiency proved. I'm probably mispronounced that completely. Skin irritation test completed, and EWG green. Ooh, that smells like tea tree, but I don't know if there's any tea tree in it because I can't read the back, and it doesn't look like it gives you ingredients either. So if you do get this box, know that you might be putting stuff on your skin that you might be allergic to. Like tea tree is something that sometimes for some people becomes an irritant to your skin. So just be careful if you want to purchase this box. So far I'm liking it. Next is this bag. And then the box is empty after that. Oh, it's still heavy. Let me put this down. Is it empty? Is it really? Yeah, it is. So that's that. Okay, we're putting down the box so it's out of the way, and we're opening up the bag. Opening up the bag, and there are quite a few products inside. So I'm just going to start grabbing. I'm going to put it off to the side a little bit. Open it up and start grabbing. Well, this is covered in plastic. EssenHerb Tea Tree 90 Toner Pad. Dual function whitening and anti-wrinkle. Ultra adherent calming pad with tea tree toner that helps balance oil and water and moisturizes and soothes irritated skin for all skin types, including blemish skin. It's right here. It's number 2. It says pure cotton pad that moisturizes, soothes, and cools the skin at once. I'm gonna have to look these up and see how to use them. If I do find ways to use them, I will write it right here for you. If I don't find ways to use it, it won't be there. I'll also put the individual prices down below as well so you guys can see how much they are if you would like to try them. This also says original excellent derma test, vegan free formula, and optimal cosmetic for acne skin. A lot of these have like little things next to them saying, ooh, right there, what they have or what they are, etc. I don't know. I want to open this and smell it because I like to smell everything. I'm going to assume it smells like tea tree because it says tea tree on it. Can't smell it through the plastic, Amanda. Yep, that smells like tea tree. So maybe I'll put this on like at night once I figure out how to use it. It's probably something you just use not to like wipe off your makeup, but to just to relax your skin. So probably before nighttime or in the morning. So that's what I'm going to probably try doing if I can find the directions. If the direction says otherwise, then I will do it otherwise. Next! EssenHerb Bulgarian Rose Ampoule. Rosa Damascena flower water. God, I cannot read these words. For improving resilience and wrinkles. I am getting to that point where I get wrinkles underneath my eyes really badly. I used to be worse actually, but they're starting to come back because I'm starting to rub my eyes more. So I need to stop that. So finding stuff that helps with wrinkles or anti-wrinkles is super helpful for me. Contains Rosa Damascena, flower water, and botanic ingredients providing nutrients and enhancing moisture film to prevent loss in nutrients and moisture. And the rest of the entire box is in Korean. It doesn't look that watery, it looks more like a lotion to me. Like, oh, it kind of moves around pretty easily. Was not expecting that. So it says on the paper, Ampoule with damask rose water that gives moisture to the rough skin. Now, just for those who do not know, I have normal to dry skin. Normal mostly on my face, dry skin like everywhere else. So, since these are mostly for all skin types, it keeps saying that on the bottom of these bottles, then I can still test them. Original excellent derma test, vegan, and antioxidant proved cert clean, whatever that means. Some of these I don't know, so if you know them, please explain them to me. But I don't know them. Golden Ball Healer Eye Zone Ampoule. Golden Ball Massage Ampoule for all-in-one eye treatment. I like eye treatments. I get really excited about them. It says right here, Golden Ball Healer Eye Zone Ampoule. Golden Ball Eye Therapy that makes dull and sagged eyes lively. Ooh, it's one of those. The little ball. So I'm guessing you rub that underneath your eyes, on your eye bags. I'm excited for it, but like I said, I'm going to look up instructions first to see how to use them before I use them, because like I said, it's in Korean. Unless if I need to learn to translate it, which I guess I can take a few classes to learn that, but it might take a while. And it's by the Cliv company. And what's that? It's a little spoon. There's nothing on it. It's just a little spoon. And 2 more products left. Okay, EssenHerb, sorry. Black tea scrub, mild black tea scrub with chamomile, sensis, leaf extract for cleansing, scrubbing, and pore cleansing at once. Black strap powder, black tea scrub including, I already read that. On the box it says a scrub that makes healthy and smooth skin with black tea extract. I'm just going to pull it out of the box so you can just see the product instead of the box. So give me 1 second to fiddle with this. Oh, that smells good. It smells like Fruit Loops. That's what it smells like to me. It smells like Fruit Loops to me. This says original excellent derma test. Now I think for the last item, last one, and the bag is empty. V10 Pore Cleansing Pad, low pH embossed cleansing pad soaked with botanic ingredients. Wipe off makeup and even fine dust clogged in pores, and then 10 kinds of vitamin skin, fill skin with radiance. So this is for makeup. Where is it? Here it is. All-in-one pad for pore cleaning to moisturizing. I like how it says that it wipes off makeup, so that is a tester for me. I can test that out for you guys. Probably after the next 2 videos I have to make. Oh. It gives you a little tweezers. So I guess you can pull out the pad. Let's open it up. Oh, it does not want to open. It's one of those. All you get is top layer. Oh my god, seriously. All I got was the top layer of the thing that just got it all over my face. All over my face and all over my neck. And I don't want to wipe it because it wipes off makeup. So it's like, oh no, I still gotta film 2 videos. So that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna leave it, so. Yeah. Okay, maybe I will try to wipe it off. Not like wipe it, but dab it. Okay. And move the hair. Can't look like a hot mess. I'm gonna be filming the next couple of videos. Anyway, that is all the products. So what do I think about this box and what review would I give? I am unhappy that it doesn't give instructions. Like, I'm sure it does in Korean, but since it's the North American version of the Skin Star box, I would expect there to be some sort of instructions, even if it's just in this little pamphlet. But there isn't. There isn't anything. I'm going to go to the www.skinstarboxing.com and see if there's instructions so I can provide them in this videos for you guys. If not, I am sorry. There's nothing I can do after that. Now that I smell like that Pore stuff. Other than that, I think they give you some really great products. And a lot of the products. Like, this is not a little. This is a lot of a product. And so is this. I mean, come on guys. This is a lot of product. And if it's as good as it's saying that it is, then it should be worth that amount of money. I mean, $300 is a lot of money, actually. Like, I can't spend $300 on a box. Especially if it's a monthly box, I can't spend that much money. It's too expensive. But I'm sure for the amount of products and coming from Korea, it's probably worth it in some way or form. Just not for me. But I am so happy that they sent this box to me. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you again, Skin Star Box, for entrusting me with this review.